Let's take a tour to car garage unit. Sala area, the dining area and the kitchen cabinet, toilet sa baba, dirty kitchen, and maid's room. Kabuuan ng cabinet and sala at dining area. Upstairs going to second floor. First room sa second floor with terrace, toilet and bath, and cabinet. The whole room in second floor at other room. Hallway of second floor going to master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Also, may terrace packet siya sa harap. Toilet and bath in second floor. Upstairs going to third floor. This is the attic area. This is a family room. Another room in third floor with terrace sa harap. Toilet and bath sa third floor. Family room. Malawak. Pwede yung office space or computer area. Terrace sa likod. Kapag ka gusto magkaroon ng barbecue area, sampayan, or anything na pwedeng gawin. Maliwalas at malaki ang space. Ayan. Ito yung attic. Then, family area at saka bedroom sa third floor. Pababa ng second floor. Ito po yung ito yung hagdan. Pababa sa ground floor. Yung sala area. Malawak ang space. Maximize ang bawat sulok ng bahay. And, ito po yung dining area. Maaliwalas. Parking area, kasya ang dalawang SUV. Price starts is 9.8 inner unit at ang corner ay 11.5 cash and bank financing. Sa mga interested po, PM lang po kayo. My name is Pel. My number is 0917-323-1855.